Okay friends, once again good morning to you all. We are going to discuss today the map number 2, how we have to draw the section maps. The question you may get like this: draw a geological section map along XY direction. First we have to join XY line. You may get in the map X and Y line. First you join that two lines. Next you have to take the white paper and you fold it according to your convenience, and you keep that white paper on the XY line, and do mark first X and Y points. First step, X and Y points, you fix it. Instead of going in the direct way, we are doing indirect way here. Later you have to jot down all the lines, discontinuous as well as continuous lines. Discontinuous as well as continuous lines. Even the fault line also you mention fault line and you write down that is a F1. We have here two faults, F1. And discontinuous lines are the counter lines. Continuous lines are the bedding planes. You have to jot down accordingly. Right friends, you name those lines. First counter value is 250. Next continuous line is C by B. Right side is C, then B, that is F2 we have already taken. And another counter line is 300. Value is 300 here. You have to see that bedding plane could be a C by B. It is actually B by C. That's the right side we have the C and left side the B. Another counter line 350. Another counter line value is 400. That bedding plane is B by A. It means right side B, left side A. Next one is value is 450. Next is the F1. That is the bedding plane. It may be B by C, but you write right side C, left side B, because we are started from the right side. We are supposed to start the left to right. That is the value 500. Here counter interval is 50. Another one is 550. Next one is B by A. Next counter value is 600. Okay friends, you unfold the paper and you draw a line from X to Y. X to Y. Now you have to draw a vertical line from X as well as Y. Here highest value is 600, so you can draw above 6 centimeter from X, above 6 centimeter from Y, because lowest value is somewhere 250 or 300, highest value is 600 here. You have to draw. Next step, you have to mark the points with respect to the counter values. First point is 600 meter, means 6 centimeter you take and one you put a point. Next one is 550. Next 500. Next 450. 400. 350. 300. 250. Okay friends, after you have to join all those points with your free hand. Better you start from the left, and you join all the points. After that, you try to continue in the same intensity towards y as well as towards x. Okay friends, now you have drawn the profile line. Here you are getting a gentle slope, just that area. Profile line. Next step, here we have to be draw vertical lines from the F1, F2. Fault 1, fault 2 we have to be take down. No more than 6 centimeter you have to be draw a vertical line. Next F2 also we have to be draw. You have to be write fault 1 and fault 2 on that line. F1, that is a fault 1, fault 2. Friends, next step, you have to be jot down the bedding planes on the profile. Wherever you have the bedding plane, just to mark it. Continuous lines vertically above on the profile line, you mark all the bedding planes. Next, you have to be draw the bedding lines from, just to start from the left side. Left side, first you draw before fault 1, which should be parallel to the base, because here bedding planes are parallel to the counter lines. Towards the x, continuous line, and with the discontinuous lines you extend up to a fault line. I line extend ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ fault plane ತನ, fault 1 ತನ. Right. Another bedding plane you have to be draw the continuous lines towards the x and discontinuous line towards the fault plane. Okay friends, similarly you have to be draw a third bedding plane towards the left side up to fault plane, and that side it is a discontinuous. Okay friends, and you name the beds. That is the C, above one is the B, and this side it is the C and above one is the B, and there above is the A, and if you come C by B, that is C, it is B, and above one is the A. Okay friends, you have drawn the figure. Your duty is to be find out the thickness as well as displacement of the bedding planes along with the F1 as well as F2. Friends, you see A by B bedding plane. Okay, that discontinuous line has passes. You just to mark it. And another A by B bed which is started just below it. Okay friends, you see how much displacement you have in that F1. It is somewhere 1.5, 150. It is 150. Similarly, second fault you see, we will get B by C bedding plane which is repeated even after the fault. Before fault also B by C, after fault also we have the B by C. You mark those points and you see how much it is displaced. It is somewhere 50. It is supposed to be 50. I'll show you how it could be in the map later. And you see the thickness of the B bed which I can able to take. It is supposed to be 100. It is supposed to be 100 B, and it could be fine. Either side you should get the 100. This side also you should get the 100. If it is plus or minus 10, you need not require to bother. Okay, so here we have drawn and we have got the values, thickness as well as F1 and F2. How we have to be explained geology as well as morphology. Okay friends, next video I'll explain it. First you have to be learn very carefully how to draw the geological section maps. Right? Okay, friends. Thank you.